Infor Factory Track for CSI, PPS Pick Confirm. To confirm pick lists, use the Pick Confirmation Transaction. A pick list may be confirmed for several reasons, including to change the status of the pick list to picked, to address situations where an item on a pick list cannot be picked, or when picking changes occur that prevent a pick list status from automatically changing. Factory Track has several PPS Pick Confirm parameters to control the validations, displayed fields and processing options that are permitted as part of the PPS Pick Confirm process. These are defined on the Transaction Set Parameters form for the PPS Pick Confirm transaction. For this training, we've enabled the parameters displayed in order to show where those fields appear in the transaction steps. For initial setup, it is recommended that at least the Create Shipment and the Selection by Pick List options are selected. To start the PPS Pick Confirm process, from the Factory Track Warehouse Mobility main menu, click on the Ship It icon. This navigates the Outbound Transactions submenu where you click on the PPS Pick Confirm icon. Factory Track displays a filter option to assist in finding the pick list to confirm. The filter options allow you to enter, scan or search and select the pick list number, which is displayed when the selection by pick list parameter is enabled, pack location, pick location, picker, which is displayed when the selection by picker parameter is enabled, and it can also be defaulted when the auto-populate picker field with user ID parameter is enabled, the pick date, and the order ID, which is displayed when the selection by order parameter is enabled. Note that this filter screen can be bypassed if the display today's pick list or display users pick list parameters are enabled. In that case, Factory Track performs the search automatically based on those options. Click on the back button to go back to the previous screen, or click on Next to continue. Factory Track then displays the pick list selection list based on the manually selected filters entered on the previous screen, or the auto-applied filters based on the enablement of today's pick list and or picker's pick list parameters. Select the desired record and click on Next to proceed, or Back to go back to the previous form. Factory Track displays the picked item record list for the selected pick list and order. Select the pick item to be confirmed and click on the Process button. Factory Track then displays the last PPS Pick Confirm form. Enter, scan or search and select the picker ID if desired. If the Allow Create Shipment parameter is enabled, you have the option to have a shipment created as part of this process. Click on Back to go back to the previous form without processing, or click on Process to complete the confirmation process.